Hi everyone, I'm Joya and today I'm going to be doing a mascara review.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
So I know I'm a little bit late to this. I know videos came out about this probably a year ago. But since I've been in quarantine and I haven't been able to get my lashes done, I've been really needing a good mascara. So I've been seeing the brand Thrive all over my Instagram for months now. They're supposed to be like liquid lash extensions. So I decided to try them out for myself. So it came in this cute little bag. It says Thrive Cosmetics. And on the back it says Empowered Women, Empower Women. How cute. So I've seen videos all over Instagram of this one girl applying it and her lashes look insane after applying it. And I know everyone's lashes are different, so it's not going to turn out the same for everyone, but her lashes literally were as long as my lash extensions. So I decided to get it. I think it's around, with shipping and everything for me, I think it was around $30, which in my opinion is a little much for a mascara. I know typically high-end mascaras are in that price range, like $15 to $20. But I've always preferred drugstore mascaras just because there's still a lot of good ones for literally $5 to $10. But I decided to splurge on this one. So this is what the packaging looks like. I got it in black. And it literally says Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara on the packaging. So they're claiming that it's supposed to be like lash extensions, I guess, just in mascara form. So this is the packaging. It's really cute. And it says on here too, Liquid Lash Extensions, just letting you guys know. So I already did my makeup. I didn't really do too much. I just did a little bit. And I didn't put on any eyeliner or anything, so you guys could really get the picture and really see how it looks. First, let me just, okay, this is out of focus, but let me just open this because this is the most satisfying part of getting a new mascara. Wow. So the wand is pretty skinny. It's not gonna focus, but it's a pretty skinny wand. So I guess it's really good for lengthening. It says it's good for volume too. I don't know how that's gonna work because I feel like this is typically volume mascaras are thicker, but I guess we'll see. Okay, so I zoomed you guys in. I tried to do fake freckles, by the way. I don't know if it looks bad or if you can even tell or what, but please let me know down below because I need to know if this looks ugly or not. First things first, I'm gonna curl my lashes. I'm just gonna apply mascara how I normally would. And I always curl my lashes, so that's what I'm gonna do. I know I could test it without curling my lashes, but I also have somewhere to be and I want this to work. So I just have this Revlon eyelash curler, nothing special. So I get pretty close to the root and I'm just gonna curl. I feel like my lashes are still fairly long considering that I get eyelash extensions. And then I'm just gonna curl in the middle and on the very end to get that curl. Okay, I think this is enough. Okay, so I'm just gonna go down and up. Wow, actually already it's not bad at all. Okay, this is with one little pass through without going behind and it's pretty good. I'm impressed. So now I'm gonna just go behind like I always do. It does a great job of separating your lashes too. Okay, you guys, this is with just one coat. Look at the difference. That is crazy. I'm really surprised. I thought this was not gonna work. I wouldn't say it's liquid lash extensions, if I'm being quite honest, because obviously they're not as long as lash extensions would be. Or I mean, I guess if you got them short, but it just depends on your eyelashes, but it is really good. I'm gonna curl my other eye and do the one coat and then we can get ready for the second coat. Okay, this is as good as it's gonna get on this eye. This eye is just not feeling it today, so we're just gonna work with it. I'm just gonna go through the back. I'm getting a lot on my eyelid. I know that. I'm just gonna clean it up after. And I just got some on my face. So this is with one coat with both. I'm gonna go ahead and do my bottom lashes a little. I always like to add just a little to my bottom lashes. Nothing crazy. Wow, I probably was not in the frame at all for that. Okay. One coat is done and I like it. It's pretty good, not gonna lie. This eye is just not working out like at all. I don't know why. Like this eye looks really limp and this eye looks amazing. But whatever, I guess I'm just gonna have to deal with that. So I'm gonna go ahead, this looks pretty dry. I'm gonna go ahead and go for a second coat on this eye. So the second coat, it got a little more clumpy, which is, I mean, normal. This is second coat versus third coat versus first coat. But also this eye is like not cute at all. And my eyelashes like would not curl on this eye. So don't know how this eye is gonna look. I'm really disappointed in her, but this eye is looking amazing. Now I waited for it to dry a little bit. We're gonna try my left eye. The tragic disappointment. Really is a disappointment. I'm getting it literally all over my lid. I don't know what it is about my left eye. Hello, so this is me in the future editing this. Yes, my teddy bear is wearing my bonnet. Mind your business. But I just realized that the reason why my left eye looks so different is because I was holding the wand a different way. Instead of holding it this way with my left hand, I was holding it this way because I'm right-handed, so it's harder to use my left hand doing mascara. But I look like an idiot now because watching it back, I'm like, obviously, idiot, like, it's gonna look different if you're holding the wand a different way because of the shape of the wand. So I just wanted to interject and let you guys know that, yes, I'm stupid and I did not realize that, and people probably watching this are probably laughing at me because obviously it's gonna look different. But also, my left eye sometimes just does not curl the way I want, so that also contributed to it. But yeah. Okay, back to the video. This eye looks really, really clumpy, and I'm really disappointed because I don't know what happened where this eye like would not just work, but this eye looks great. I'm gonna wait for all this to dry so I can clean it up, and then I'll come back, give my final verdict, and yeah. Okay, so this is the finished result, kind of zoomed in. It's really not bad at all. I think I'm just gonna play around with it a couple more times. It is a really, really good lengthening mascara. You do have to be careful though not to clump it on because it gets clumpy really quick. Like this eye got clumpy really quick. And also, as I'm touching my eyelashes, they still feel like tacky, like not completely dry. I don't know if later they're gonna dry, but I would expect them to feel like they still feel a little bit tacky. So I don't know about that. I don't know how long they're gonna hold. Okay, just wanted to pop in again. I've tried this mascara out for a week,
and it does hold pretty well. I was surprised because since it never really like dries crunchy or like hard or anything like some mascaras do. And then that's why they flake. This mascara did not flake at all because I feel like it still had that waxy texture, but it still held my lashes pretty well. Obviously they're not going to be as curled as like right when I apply it, but they still held pretty well. They didn't really go limp or anything, which I was really surprised about. And also, one very important thing, it was so easy to take this mascara off. I usually use waterproof mascara, and even when I didn't use waterproof mascara, since the mascaras like would dry so hard, it won't be as easy to like take it off at the end of the day. But since this one still had like that waxy texture, it was literally so easy. It took 2 seconds to take this off, and there was no residue left on my eyelashes. I didn't have to rub my eyes for like 5 minutes. So yeah, that's a big plus. And after trying it out, I like it a lot more, definitely. It is still pretty expensive for what it does, because there definitely are drugstore mascaras that could do a great job as well. It just depends on your lashes and what you like. But I do really like this mascara. And yeah, back to the video.
So yeah, that's pretty much it. I like this mascara. I think it works pretty well. Is it liquid lash extensions? In my opinion, no. They do make my eyelashes really, really long though. So maybe yes. I don't know. It's like no and yes, because it's not a ton of volume, but it is a lot of length. But obviously I still prefer lash extensions. But it is a really good mascara, and I think the more I play with it, maybe the more I'll like it. I feel like because it made my eyelashes so long, I feel like it is worth the price, just because I would take length over volume personally. But if you like a really volumizing mascara, this probably is not the one, because it does more length than volume. Overall, I actually really like this mascara. I'm pleasantly surprised. I didn't even know what to think, to be honest. Are there other mascaras that are cheaper that can do the same thing? Probably yes. So I don't know. I can't really tell you if it's worth the money or not. I keep like going back and forth because I really like the results it gave me. But at the same time, is it worth like what, $20-something, $25 for one mascara? I don't really know. I do suggest you try it for yourself at least once. It does give really good results, so that's great. So there's nothing really horrible I can say about this other than it clumps pretty quickly, but a lot of mascaras do that. So yeah, that was my video. Let me know what you guys think, if you guys have tried this mascara, if you guys like it, all of that, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!